Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another reaction video. I know it's been a while, but with work and everything, I've been out, but I'm back. So let's get into this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Hey guys, cook a roast with me. First, we're gonna season.
First of all, I want to know why this stove looks like this. Looks like it hasn't been cleaned in months, and she has the meat sitting right there. And she has the meat sitting in this thing like she doesn't plan on washing it.
Salt.
Where's the salt? And like I said before, no washing. Where's the salt?
Pepper. Then we're going to do the other side, and after it's all seasoned, you're gonna.
I guess this is seasoned with hopes and dreams, because I don't see anything. Or faith. Lord, no.
All of it. Excuse my dirty stove.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna lightly coat it so we can.
She said, excuse her dirty stove. I mean, the real crime in this video is the fact that she didn't wash the meat. And then she said she put salt and pepper, and I don't see either.
Quick fry it, and
This must be for a dog or something, because ain't no way.
I'll be back. Okay, so I got it in the crock pot. Now we got to season and add the potatoes. Okay, hold on. First I got. Let's wash the potatoes. Okay.
She sounds so confused. She's all over the place. And I mean, at the end of the day, I understand why, because I don't know what she's doing right now.
Now.
Oh, this is crazy.
Hold on.
Okay, season again.
This is the same thing, and I'll be back after I get them seasoned. Now we're going to dump the potatoes in.
She ain't put no seasoning on there.
Carrots, but we don't always eat them, so I won't be doing carrots. Alright, so now I gotta add the gravy stuff. I suck at making gravy, so we're gonna pour it in. Hold on. Here's what I'm gonna do.
I'm so dizzy.
Pour this in there. I'm gonna use water.
Okay, at least the gravy will give it a little flavor.
There's just enough water on there.
Still, there should have been more seasoning on that thing. I just don't get it. Why don't people believe in seasoning? It ain't gonna hurt. At least, I mean, some, just so the meat can at least have a little bit of taste. Come on now. Oh Lord.
That's all. Thanks for watching. Come back to see that result.
No. So you put people through all that and didn't even show the end of it? So if I want to see the end, I got to go to another video. If that's the case, I guess there'll be a part 2, because I'm going to go hunt for this part 2 so I can see what it looks like. So y'all stay tuned for part 2, because I'm going to go find it. Hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Stay tuned for part 2.
Right, Vibes kitchen at the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.